is Prince inspired. I call it Purple Rain. You can psychobabble your way into makeup history. I think I'm really improving my blush application. Looks got some hair in there. Getting all hair. Shooting cat porn with my hubby. Going to Scarby Fair. Making deer stew. A little chart and a little picture, and they show you which colors to put where. You know what? This is just a guideline. You don't need to follow this. I made a bit of a mess on my shirt. Oh yeah, that would make it also like a nice blush. Ooh, cotton balls.